Hello YouTube, it's been a while since I posted car content. Recently I picked up this 2001 Toyota Camry with 175,000 miles. Since this channel is about helping people, I had an aha moment to make a YouTube series for this. There are many reasons for buying a beater. A common one is saving money by avoiding a monthly car payment. Some people with modified cars just want something more reliable and comfortable to drive daily. For folks up north with harsh winters, a beater takes all the salt and rust damage instead of your precious car. It's August now, so some parents are looking to buy a cheap car for their teenagers when school starts. Maybe you are a new adult driver looking to learn more about cars. Whatever the reason, I want to share the journey. As usual, this series is tailored to beginners since I am not a professional driver or mechanic. However, I have learned a thing or two over 20 years of car ownership. We'll continue to learn together, and I'm excited. But for now, let's just look at her, because this was all of us at one point, just happy to have our own first car. She's beautiful. If this is something you are interested in, make sure to subscribe to this playlist, and I will see you again soon.